Point number 3. Secret number 3. Plan. So once you think, you get ideas, now you write down your plan, how to achieve it. This is my schedule. At this time, I will sit on this chair, in this room, a quiet room, a silent room where I cannot hear anyone's noise, any voice, nothing. I need to sit in this room on that desk. If you don't have a quiet room, you use earplugs. If you don't have a quiet family, you have too many people in your home, earplugs. And you gotta work hard on your mindset, staying positive. Keep thinking about your goal all the time. Remember, I have mentioned that before and I'll mention that again. We become what we think about all day long. We become what we think about all day long. Once you take responsibility of your life, you develop a habit. Sorry, you develop a habit of thinking every day. You are writing it down, but at the same time, you are thinking how I can achieve my goal every day, every time, while doing shower, while driving. If you are running and doing exercise, you are thinking how I can achieve my goal, how I can be successful, how can I do this, how can I do this. Think about it. Think about your goal. Imagine doing and living the life of your dreams already, and the things will happen. Start to see, think about your publication all the time. Start seeing your publication right now. How will your paper look like? How will you feel when you have your publication out? That's how things become reality. And with your 100% responsibility, it will become 100%. And a responsible person thinks and plans. So how do you plan? You write down that what will be your topic, how long will be your paper, what is the length, usually 3,000 words to 5,000 words of your paper is the length. How many headings will your paper have? So you are actually creating an outline. This is called outline, mentioning the headings. What will be the headings? Remember, IMRAD format. IMRND. A is nothing. I for introduction, M for method, R for results, D for discussion, C for conclusion, R for references, and then on the top is the abstract. This is your outline, and then some outlines will be in your discussion. How many headings will I have in my discussion section? You say, okay, I will decide once I have collected my data. Now, what is the plan of collecting data? I will look at these 3, 4 databases, 5 databases. I'll search my data. And now once I have data, I'll organize it and I will give the headings to each of these things. I will give the heading to each of these after organization of data. So you will have clarity, more clarity about your discussion section once your data has been collected. Once your data has been collected. So this plan is a must. Your schedule, you will write down your schedule on the plan page. You will write down the days that you will sit and spend time, exact time, what time do you want to sit, where exactly you will sit. What is the room where you will write your paper? Don't sit on the couch. Don't sit on the bed, because that will make you sleepy. And if your mind does not allow you to think, your mind is not keeping you active, what do? Exercise. Do some running, go for a jog and come back, and you will see your mind will be back to focus again, because a body in motion means your mind will be in motion too, because mind and body are connected. Psychosomatics has proven this. So if your mind is down, you're feeling depressed, you're feeling down, go for a jog, come back. And now start working on your paper, because you made your body move, now your mind will move. But if you sit on a sofa or a bed, you will feel sleepy. Guys, there is a way, right? When you drive a car, you learn to drive a car, they say, okay, sit here in the car, ignite the engine, now put the seatbelt on, or the other way around. You start with the seatbelt, then you ignite the engine, and then you change the gear, and now you move. There's a process, right? You cannot just do whatever you want. So I'm telling you the step-by-step process. This is very important. A plan, written plan is very important. The room where you will sit is very important. It must be a quiet room without any sound or noise. If you don't have it, then use earplugs, and you need discipline. So decide the day, decide the time, and start working on your paper. And every day before you begin writing, let's say you have given a 2-hour slot every day, for example, write the thinking page first. Think, how can I collect better data? Where else can I go? How can I perform better? How can I make sure this paper gets published? How can I make sure this paper gets published? Once you do that, your paper will be completed and you are all set. You're all set. This is how it is done. This is how success is done, guys, in every aspect of your life. Success just doesn't happen with luck. It happens with thinking and planning, taking absolute responsibility, taking action, not just praying. Pray and you will get an idea. Yes, pray and you will get an idea. Take action on that idea. And that idea is sow the seed, and this is your seed. The tree, that means your paper, will eventually become a reality. Everything that you are looking for will become a reality. But you have to take responsibility. Stop blaming. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming everyone. Take responsibility. Blame yourself. If you are not what you want to be, then you are responsible. Everything you have attracted by the person you have become.